Ever found yourself clicking away from a slow website? You're not alone. In today's digital marketplace, speed is king. Let's explore how a faster Shopify site can give you that competitive edge. Did you know that nearly half of consumers expect a web page to load in 2 seconds or less? A delay can send potential customers straight to your competitor. Imagine this. A mere 1 second delay can slash your conversions by 7%. In the e-commerce world, every second and every customer counts. Optimizing your Shopify store's speed doesn't just keep visitors happy. It boosts your search engine rankings, enhances user experience, and ultimately drives more sales. So, how can you speed up your Shopify store? Start with compressing images, minifying code, and managing apps effectively. These steps can significantly enhance your site's performance. At Task Force Store, we're experts in Shopify speed optimization. Our tailored solutions ensure your store not only meets but exceeds customer expectations, giving you that crucial competitive edge. Our clients have seen remarkable improvements: faster load times, higher customer engagement, and increased sales. A faster site isn't just a technical upgrade, it's a business strategy. Ready to leave slow speeds and competitors behind? Visit taskforcestore.com today and let's accelerate your Shopify store to new heights.